Here it is, guys, going in tomorrow for this long weekend. Rough country 2.5-inch lift kit for the Chevy S10, Blazers, Sonomas, and Jimmys. And I'm sure I'm missing one or two. The ZR2s only get the 1.5-inch suspension lift, but it's better than nothing. So let's end this last look of the ZR2 with a beautiful sunset. From stock till you guys will see the lift tomorrow. And then you'll get an update once it's got a wheel alignment. And once the alignment's done, I'll give you guys a update every couple weeks. I'm hoping to gain 2 inches in the rear, only because my rear end, my suspension's shot. I need shocks to the struts front and rear, hence why I bought the lift kit. It was cheaper to do the whole lift than it was to buy OEM parts. I'll do measurements tomorrow as well before I install it, to show you guys the overall height gained. And we'll go from there. I hope you guys enjoy the content. Give me a follow, like, and subscribe. Mufasa, where are you going, buddy? Alright, you guys. And thanks for following. And one more last look of the Sonoma with the beautiful sunset as it is stock. Enjoy.